Those of you who watch the channel may wonder why I'm not in my usual NC State getup. Today we're talking Pittsburgh Steelers. At least this is my paint shirt. I've had this thing for about 20 years, this shirt. Anyway, we're going to do some work today. I'm going to show you, Wild Badger got a hold of me last year and wanted me to try out their 4-in-1 tool. Now that I've had it for a year, here we are going into June. This may be something you're going to be coming up with as far as hedge trimmers, the saw blade on it, of course string trimmer. It's also got a brush blade on it. And I have used it over the last year, and I wanted to tell you about my impressions on the Wild Badger 4-in-1 tool. Today I'm going to trim this tree, I'm going to trim this bush, we're going to do some cutting on a little bit of brush that got away from us here in the dog pen. I'm going to show you all about the attachments on this and how easy it is to switch these out. I gotta admit, I've been very impressed with this. I still need to clean out my garage from last year and get rid of my old hedge trimmers, and get rid of my old weed eater and all the stuff that it replaces.
Here's the brush blade, and you can go through thick grass with this very easily. There's almost no resistance through it. It'll also go through saplings about an inch thick. You can clear out some tree areas, and here's the business end of it, and you can see where it just rotates around there. It fills the gap between the chainsaw and the weed eater. Here's the weed eater, and it's a 26 cubic centimeter 2-cycle engine on this.
I gotta admit, the trimmer cord in this is the strongest that I've seen. I've actually done, some of you guys that do a lot of commercial work, when you do fences, particularly a chain link fence, it really chews up the cord. I've done a little bit of that with it, done a lot of concrete, still on the same spool. It really lasts. I don't know where they got it, but it's some really good trimmer cord. I don't know if they sell it commercially, but they do actually offer you an extra spool in the kit.
I want to show you how easy this is to switch out. And yes, believe it or not, I still have the tool that comes with it to take the bolt out. That was impressive that I actually found that for this video. But really all you do is you simply take that bolt off of the brush blade, take it right off, and then you're going to take your weed eater attachment, twist it on there like that. Then we're going to take the bottom of that where the spool is. And there again, this is a touch feed. So all you got to do is bang it on the ground. It automatically puts the stringer trimmer cord out for you. And there you go. We're done. Hedge trimmers on this is pretty powerful. I can go through some fairly thick brush with it. That's one of the things you saw on the outset, that tree in the front, or that hedge in the front. I really had some trouble getting that, my old hedge trimmers to go through it. This, because of the engine on it, goes right through it. And I like how it extends, and you can get larger bushes and make them look real nice. Get up into trees. This is an area where it's starting to grow in a little bit. Every time I walk past them, have the duck. So anyway, chainsaw comes in handy to cut up a larger wood for the backyard fire pit, and I've used it quite a bit for that as well. Now, let me show you how quick this is to switch out from the chainsaw to the weed eater. And that's, I guess, a year update. Not so much a review, kind of a review and a year update of the Wild Badger 4-in-1 tool. I appreciate Wild Badger for sending me that over last year, and they wanted me to do a little bit of an update for you guys that I did want to tell you about and how well it's worked out for me. I'm going to leave a QR code right here to my Amazon storefront on my tools list. It's been there all the last year. Get a little button you could press up here if you want to go check that out and get it on Amazon. So anyway, I'm agronomist Greg Phillips, and I hope this helps, and good luck this year with your yard.